Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for discovering the best everyday essentials. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves for its versatility, charm, and functionality. Meet the best woven basket with handle storage bin, the Happyiren Cute Woven Storage Basket. Let's talk about what makes this decorative storage solution a standout in a sea of baskets. First off, the design. At 13 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 6 inches tall, this basket finds that perfect balance between space-saving and capacity. Whether you're using it as a gift basket for a baby shower or a decorative box on your coffee table, its simple, neutral aesthetic makes it work in any setting. The soft white cotton rope gives it that clean, farmhouse chic appeal, subtle yet sophisticated. Made from 100% natural cotton, it's not just beautiful, it's sustainable and safe. Hand-woven using eco-conscious materials, this basket is gentle on sensitive baby skin, safe for pets, and won't scratch your furniture. You get double-layer weaving, which adds durability while maintaining that soft, flexible texture that gives it its handcrafted charm. And yes, it's collapsible. That means when you're not using it, just fold it down flat and store it away. But when it's time to put it to work, the structured base pops right back into shape. No sagging, no floppy corners. It stays upright, even when you load it up with books or baby blankets. Let's talk handles. These aren't just decorative loops. They're reinforced cotton handles tested to hold up to 500 pounds. That's more than enough for toys, bath towels, or even magazines. Carry it around the house with confidence. It's built for function as much as form. And look at how multi-purpose it is. You can use it as a nursery organizer for baby wipes and pacifiers, or place it in your bathroom for spa towels. Maybe throw in some dog toys or remote controls in the living room. It's also an empty gift basket you can personalize for holidays, birthdays, raffles, or fundraisers. Oh, and it's machine washable. Unlike other baskets that lose their shape after a rinse, this one retains its woven texture. A little steam ironing, and it's as crisp and cute as new. With its compact footprint and versatile utility, the Happyiren woven basket is more than a storage bin. It's an aesthetic upgrade to your space. Practical, durable, and gift-worthy, it's a small detail that makes a big impact. If you're looking for an eco-conscious, machine-washable, handle-equipped woven basket that looks good in any room, this one checks all the boxes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart product reviews, right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay organized, stay stylish.